In this class, we will understand the concept of typedef in C programming language. The concept is very straightforward and very simple. First, we will understand what does that mean. Typedef is a keyword in C programming language that allows a programmer to create a new name or an alias for an existing data type. So whatever the data types that are existing in our C programming language, let's assume it may be an int, float, or it may be a character. To the existing data types, we can create an aliasing name. In short, we can call it as a nickname for the existing data types. So all you need to understand is it is not creating any new data types. It is just creating another name for the existing data types. So let's try to understand this concept by using an example. So that makes easy for us to understand. So here, and what are the benefits of this typedef? By using this typedef, the readability of the program can be made very easy. Means whoever sees the program can easily understand what is that which is happening. What is that happening in this program? That can be easily understood if you create these type definitions within the program. So let's understand by using this example. So this is how the typedef is used. Typedef is the keyword. And what is the data type? What is the existing data type that I am trying to give a nickname for it is a float. Now the name that I am giving for this float from now on is dollars. So whenever I want to create variables of this dollars type, which is float types, so this is how I declare. See, I am creating three variables. Don't get confused. I am creating three variables. Previously, this is how we used to create the variables. So these are the declarations which we are used to. So here I am using float, cash in, cash out, and balance. Three variables are created are of type float. Now the new kind of name that is provided for float is dollars. Now using this dollars, I am creating three variables: cash in, cash out, and balance. So the next three steps are what is the amount of cash that has came in? It is $500.75, and cash out, what is that which has been withdrawal? So I'm just given it directly $125.25. The balance is cash in minus cash out. And finally, I'm going to print this balance. So all you need to understand is this is how. So the readability of the program is increasing with the use of these type definitions, means the aliasing names for the existing data types. So that's it for this video. So this concept is very simple. So the use of this typedef is going to be very frequent in our later coming programs. So this is one of the very important concept to understand. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will come up with another concept where we are going to understand how the computer represents the negative numbers. How negative numbers are represented by the computer. That we will try to understand in our next class. See you in the next class.